In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by accessing one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same for the second app and access both of them in background apps. Now it's time to decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then select split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!